Hello everyone, my name is Shorab and welcome to my 16th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about another link attribute which is called the title attribute. To do that, first let's create a link. Now this is a normal link that we have created here. Now how we add a title attribute? To do that, first let's take our cursor here and simply write title. Okay, then equal to, then within double quote we write the desired text that we want to add in the title attribute. Okay, now let's check it in our browser. You can see here, whenever we are taking our cursor over the link, you can see a tooltip is appearing here with the text that we have added in our title attribute. So that is the utility of the title attribute. Alright, and the link will work as it is, as it was working in our earlier tutorials. Okay, next I will discuss how to create link bookmark in a web page. HTML bookmarks are used to allow readers to jump to a specific location in a web page. Okay, bookmarks can be useful if your web page is very long. So let's see an example. Okay, here we have added a h2 tag, written chapter 1 there, and added a p tag here. Now let's copy this several times. Okay, alright, we have copied nearly 20 times here with the same stuff. Only thing we have changed is the chapter number here. Now let's check in our browser. You can see here it is a really long page. Okay, so now what if we want to jump from one chapter to another chapter just by clicking a link? How we did that? Let's see. Let's consider we want to take this chapter and we want to jump here. To do that, first we have to add an ID here. Okay, ID should be the same name that we want to add as a bookmark link. You will see how I do it. Just keep watching. Okay, we have added the text here. Alright, and now we add another text here, ID here, which is C15 in chapter 15 here. Okay, we change this to C5 since it is chapter 5. Now we will be adding two links here. Okay, within the p tag, and in place of any link we will simply add a hashtag and write the name of the ID that we added in the chapter there. Okay, and write visit chapter 5 here. Okay, similarly we will add another link here. Just copy it and replace it with C15. Okay, now let's check in our browser. Okay, now if we click here, you can see the screen moved and takes us to the place where chapter 5 is there. Okay, similarly, if we click on chapter 15, it takes us the place where chapter 15 is located. So this comes in handy if your web page is really long like this. Okay, so that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.